Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Bringing Versailles home. Core principles of French garden style. The grandeur of Versailles may seem untouchable, but the core principles that define its legendary gardens can be adapted to create a slice of French elegance in your own outdoor space. The Jardin à la Française is not about vast scale, but rather about a specific philosophy of order, symmetry, and artistry. By embracing its fundamental concepts, you can transform any yard into a structured and serene retreat. This style is a celebration of man's ability to shape nature into a living work of art. Let's explore the three essential ideas that form the foundation of this timeless design. The most striking feature of a French garden is its unwavering commitment to symmetry and geometric precision. The design is always organized around a central axis, typically leading the eye from the house to a focal point like a statue or fountain. Paths, flower beds, and shrubbery are laid out in perfect, mirroring halves to create a sense of balance and harmony. This formal structure is not restrictive, but is intended to impose a beautiful order upon the natural landscape. Sharp, clean edges on parterres and lawns are non-negotiable for maintaining this crisp, architectural look. Ultimately, this geometric foundation provides the strong visual backbone upon which all other elements are built. Living architecture in the form of meticulously trimmed greenery is essential for defining the garden's spaces. Tall, dense hedges of boxwood or yew act as green walls, creating outdoor rooms and framing different sections of the design. These hedges are often used to form intricate parterres de broderie, low, curling patterns that resemble embroidery when viewed from above. Equally important is the hardscaping, with gravel paths providing a pale, uniform surface that contrasts beautifully with the greenery and reflects light. Stone or cast iron urns, placed strategically at path intersections or on terraces, add permanent structural interest. Together, these elements ensure the garden maintains its formal composition and visual interest throughout every season. A classic French garden uses deliberate focal points to draw the eye and create a sense of destination along the central axis. This could be a sculptural element, such as a classical statue of a mythological figure, or a beautifully crafted stone bench. The most prestigious focal point, however, is always a water feature, reflecting the sky and adding movement and sound. Fountains are typically formal in design, often with multiple tiers and symmetrical spouts, rather than naturalistic rock formations. Pools and canals are geometric in shape, acting as mirrors that double the garden's beauty and enhance the feeling of spaciousness. Every focal point serves a purpose, guiding one's journey through the landscape in a carefully choreographed experience.